Hear me, I say, no, people, ladies and gentlemen, listen. We have to talk about this brother named Bams from the app. You see me? Well, they look like the man touched on New York and homeless. The man picture New York and homeless. How about the man lives from the bottom of the ocean to the bottom of the fridge? The man out here poor. The man out here poor, your fuck brother. You see me? Eh? So the man depend the app, depend the roadside a beg 24 years. You see me? The man always out here beg dog. And we not judge nobody because of them circumstances and we not laugh. You see, we not laugh. You might say we not laugh, brother. We know some people go through them struggle, but how about instead of you depend up a beg 25 and 20 and $5? How about you go beg somebody one link to get a work? And New York, you know that people there in New York with 10 jobs, people there in New York with 15 jobs, people there in New York with 20 jobs, brother, them can share. And if somebody don't want to share with you, them can put your pound for them work and get a percentage of a year pay. That's how it go. You don't know how the trappings go on. You see me? But you can't just work this so brother. Eh? The man does fishing at people in the country and damn fishy and worthless. The man them batty up everything and worthless up the thing dog. Batty and worthlessness dog. But tired to see it now, man. This is brainless attitude, yeah, brother. The same energy has to beg. When you put the same energy, to same people them for your if them can give you one link to get a work. So obviously, them have money to send to you and support your slackness. So why them not just put you on a work so you can support your own slackness? The man them just match up everything and worthless up everything dog. We're tired of one now, man. Eh? We know y'all go through your thing dog, but you depend on beg and a tough people for them money. You know, say be a batty attitude that dog. Or you say a big smarty something and a fuss them feet at the same time. Be a carelessness and go on for the app, dog. The man needs to come down, dog. You see me? And instead of the people them who are sending money, why don't you just send him go out and work? You send him go look at work. When you give them a link so them can work for him one thing and stop embarrass Jamaica. You see me? When I already like all down a batty attitude everywhere. Make people feel so this is a regular thing on the island. No, our island small. We can't take no more earthquake. You see me? No Saddam and Gomorrah, dog. We can't take no earthquake. The whole island are going to sink and the good and suffer for the bad. So we need, well, the right thing, we pitching on a rainbow country. But we don't need to change our culture. We don't need to speak proper English. We bring our culture, we don't know.